back to the one and only summertime, when my girl was the envy of every friend of mine. She slept safely in my arms. We were so young and invincible. Closed lips, she was never one to kiss and tell. Those trips in the summer never went so well. Young love is such dumb love. Call it what you want, it was still enough.